Hi, welcome to Cascade's booth at ProMat DX. I'm Chris Walters, Engineering Manager, and today we're going to take a look at some of our distribution and warehouse solutions. Cascade's multiple load handlers, like this single-double, offer adjustable fork sets, allowing you to handle a single pallet or instantly adjust to handle 2 pallets at once, doubling your productivity. Other models can carry up to 6 loads at a time. This single-double is equipped with our latest development, Cascade Rapid Sync, a hydraulic option offering maximum speed and perfect fork synchronization. Cascade Rapid Sync realizes the full potential of single-double pallet handlers, increasing the speed of fork positioning and allowing you to move more loads faster for maximum productivity. Rapid Sync offers ultra-fast fork speeds. Open and close cycle times are up to 35% faster than a competitive model and 20% faster than our standard Cascade models. Patented Rapid Sync technology also ensures the forks move perfectly in sync for that extra level of precision. This eliminates the needs for operators to reset forks, saving energy and increasing efficiency. Everything else about these attachments is built to deliver high performance. Visibility through the frame is excellent, increasing speed and reducing damage. The durable, full-length bearings are guaranteed to last 10,000 hours, a warranty that's unmatched in the industry. The bolt-on forks are interchangeable, which reduces service costs. If you're in the warehousing, food and beverage industry, or any application that could benefit from having the option to handle 1, 2, or 3 pallets at once, then Cascade Rapid Sync is your perfect solution. Now, let's visit a solution from Cascade Cooey, a special part of our operation that's bringing easy and efficient handling solutions to our customers. Today, we're looking at Cascade Cooey Reach Forks, a simple way to extend the capabilities of your forklift. Operators are able to easily adjust fork length for versatile handling, which increases your forklift's productivity without having to expand your truck fleet. The telescoping action of these forks allow the operator to simply adjust the fork to the desired length to pick up a load, perfect for double deep racking in warehouse environments. Hydraulic reach forks are built to guarantee synchronized fork movement to ensure precision handling. They also feature high-strength steel construction and reinforced heels for improved longevity. Manual options are also available. Reach forks are ideal for warehouse spaces that use double deep racking to maximize space utilization. They also enable single-side loading of flatbed and curtain trucks, saving time and energy. With easily adjustable fork length, they're a great choice for dual pallet loading and handling of variable length pallets. Overall, reach forks are an easy way to add functionality to your forklift while keeping it simple. The J-Series is our latest family of carton clamps. These clamps offer superior handling for a wide variety of products like white goods, electronics, packaged foods, paper products, beverages, and more. It also comes in a variety of configurations that can meet your needs. Today, we're looking at our standard carton clamp model with a couple of special additions, Talon pads and hydraulic force control, or HFC. First, let's look at the clamp itself. Our carding clamps are optimized for incredible performance, offering both durability and reduced product damage. Each of our carding clamps deliver optimal clamp force distribution for reduced damage regardless of product density. They're versatile, easy to service, built to last. Our energy-efficient hydraulic system maximizes arm speed while minimizing energy consumption.
All J-Series clamps come standard with an adjustable relief setting for clamp, open, and side shift functions for optimal performance.
The attachment's enhanced visibility allows drivers to work quickly while eliminating damage risks. The frame is high-strength steel so it can stand up to rugged environments and heavy use. We've got durable UHMW bearings backed by an unmatched warranty for smooth movement of the arms without the need for lubrication and less maintenance. While carding clamps are designed for optimal performance in handling box or carton-type loads, we're also prepared to accommodate for pallet applications. The Talon pads are a segmented wear strip built into the lower section of the contact pads that are more prone to heavy wear. The segments are easy to replace or reposition so you can get the maximum lifespan out of each one and reduce maintenance needs overall. Improper clamp force is a common cause of product damage, which is an issue in logistics applications where you're handling a wide variety of loads that demand varying levels of clamp force. Our easy-to-use damage reduction system, Hydraulic Force Control, applies just the right amount of clamp force to every load. Carding clamps with HFC automatically adapt clamp force to the load weight and take the guesswork out of picking up loads. No more over-clamping and compressing the load or under-clamping and potentially dropping the load, both of which could result in costly product damage. Systems like Cascade's HFC are frequently used in e-commerce environments for quickly and automatically adapting to varying loads, from small electronics to large, heavy home safes, all while using the same clamp. The system will apply perfect clamp force to every load without any special actions from the driver. From appliances and electronics to wine and packaged food, there's nothing these clamps can't take on. There you have it. Warehousing, distribution, and logistics are complex, fast-paced industries. At Cascade, we're constantly working to ensure the success of our customers. We look forward to working with you and to show you the rest of our industry-leading solutions. Let's talk.